Have you noticed lately that it seems like everyone is lifting weights? From Hollywood celebrities showing off their strength on social media, to your next-door neighbor who just started a home workout routine, weightlifting is everywhere. It's not just a passing trend or a fleeting fitness craze. There's a real movement happening, and it's changing the way people of all ages and backgrounds think about their health. Maybe you've seen it at your local gym, or maybe you've scrolled past videos of people deadlifting in their living rooms, parks, or even at the beach. The truth is, strength training is no longer reserved for bodybuilders or athletes. It's become a universal language of self-care, empowerment, and transformation. And the best part? It's a movement that welcomes everyone, regardless of where you're starting from or what your goals are. Here's the thing, lifting weights isn't just about building big muscles or taking gym selfies for Instagram. Sure, you might see some impressive biceps or toned arms, but the real benefits go so much deeper. People are lifting for their health, their confidence, and their future. It's about feeling good in your own skin, moving with ease, and knowing you're doing something powerful for your body and mind. Lifting weights is about building a foundation for a better life, one where you feel strong, capable, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. And if you've noticed your grandma's arms looking a little more defined lately, you're not imagining things. In fact, more and more older adults are picking up weights and discovering that it's never too late to get stronger. We're living in a time where age is just a number, and strength training is helping people rewrite what it means to grow older. Imagine being able to carry your groceries with ease, play with your grandkids, or travel the world without worrying about your body holding you back. That's the power of lifting weights, and it's available to everyone, no matter your age or starting point. It's about reclaiming your independence and enjoying life to the fullest, at every stage. And it's not just the older generation getting in on the action. If you've opened TikTok or Instagram lately, you've probably seen teens and young adults deadlifting, squatting, and sharing their progress online. Social media is full of people celebrating their strength journeys, supporting each other, and breaking down the old stereotypes about who belongs in the weight room. It's inspiring to see so many people, from all walks of life, discovering the joy and empowerment that comes from lifting weights. The energy is contagious, and it's motivating a whole new generation to prioritize their health and well-being. If you still think lifting weights is just for bodybuilders or fitness models, it's time to rethink that idea. The new face of strength training is diverse, inclusive, and welcoming. You'll find people of every shape, size, and background picking up dumbbells, barbells, and resistance bands. Some are looking to build muscle, others want to lose weight, and many are simply focused on feeling better and living longer. The beauty of lifting is that it meets you where you are and helps you become the best version of yourself, one rep at a time. No matter your goals, there's a place for you in the world of strength training, and your journey is just as valid as anyone else's. These days, strength training isn't just for the super fit, the super young, or the super athletic. It's for everyone. Seniors, parents, busy professionals, students, and anyone who wants to take charge of their health. You don't need to be a certain age or have a certain body type to start. All you need is a willingness to try and a commitment to yourself. The gym is no longer an exclusive club, it's a community, and there's a place for you in it. Whether you're working out at home, in a park, or at a local fitness center, you belong in this movement. Imagine being able to open that stubborn pickle jar without breaking a sweat, or carrying your groceries up the stairs with confidence. Lifting weights isn't just about what you look like, it's about what you can do. It's about building the kind of strength that makes everyday life easier, more enjoyable, and less stressful. Whether you want to play with your kids, hike a mountain, or simply feel more capable in your daily routine, strength training can help you get there. It's about unlocking new possibilities and making daily tasks feel effortless, so you can focus on the things that truly matter to you. And the science backs it up. Research shows that lifting weights can help you live longer, keep your brain sharp, and even improve your mood. Strength training has been linked to lower rates of heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. It can boost your metabolism, help you maintain a healthy weight, and reduce your risk of injury as you age. But that's not all. Lifting weights can also help fight anxiety and depression, giving you a natural mood boost and a sense of accomplishment. When you challenge your body, you challenge your mind, and the benefits go far beyond the gym. The positive effects ripple out into every area of your life, from your relationships to your work and beyond. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment, a gym membership, or a lot of space to get started. You can begin your strength journey right at home, using whatever you have on hand. A pair of dumbbells, a resistance band, or even a couple of water bottles can be enough to get you moving. The most important thing is to start, no matter how small. Every rep counts, and every bit of effort adds up over time. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can build momentum, and how empowering it feels to take those first steps. If you don't have traditional weights, get creative. Fill a backpack with books, use cans of soup, or try bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups. The key is to challenge your muscles and keep things interesting. You don't need to spend hours working out or follow a complicated routine. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference, especially when you're consistent. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every creative solution you come up with is a step toward building a stronger, more resourceful you. When you're just starting out, focus on the basics. Squats, push-ups, and rows are simple, effective exercises that work multiple muscle groups and build a strong foundation. Don't worry about lifting heavy weights right away. Instead, pay attention to your form, listen to your body, and take your time. It's better to do a few reps with good technique than to rush through a workout and risk injury. As you get stronger, you can gradually add more weight or try new exercises. Building a solid foundation now will pay off in the long run, helping you avoid setbacks and stay motivated. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to lift too much, too soon. Don't let your ego get in the way of your progress. It's okay to start with lighter weights and work your way up. In fact, that's the smartest way to build strength and avoid injury. If you're not sure where to begin, ask a coach or trainer for guidance or look for beginner-friendly workouts online. There's no shame in starting small. Everyone has to begin somewhere. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and your journey is just as important as anyone else's. Progress in strength training doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process, and the key is consistency. Try adding a little more weight each week, or doing an extra rep or two. Keep track of your workouts in a journal or on your phone, and celebrate your milestones along the way. Don't forget to rest. Your muscles need time to recover and grow. Rest days are just as important as workout days, so listen to your body and give yourself permission to take breaks when you need them. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Every small improvement is a victory, and over time, those victories add up to real, lasting change. Your strength journey is unique to you. Don't compare yourself to others or get discouraged if progress feels slow. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. Be proud of yourself for showing up, for trying something new, and for investing in your health. Confidence comes from doing hard things, and every workout is a chance to prove to yourself that you're capable of more than you think. The pride you feel after a workout isn't just about physical gains. It's about knowing you honored your commitment to yourself. If you're ready to get stronger, feel better, and join a community of people who are cheering you on, you're in the right place. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world fitness tips, and share your journey with others. The more we support each other, the stronger we all become. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. There's a whole world of people out there who are lifting, learning, and growing right alongside you. Together, we can inspire each other to keep going, even on the tough days. Your only competition is the person you were yesterday. Every time you pick up a weight, you're building a stronger, healthier, and more resilient version of yourself. It's not about being perfect. It's about being persistent. Look back at how far you've come, and use that as motivation to keep moving forward. The journey may not always be easy, but it's always worth it. Each day you show up, you're proving to yourself that you can do hard things, and that's something to be proud of. So let's get stronger together. Whether you're lifting for your health, your happiness, or your future, know that you're part of a movement that's changing lives, one rep at a time. The best time to start is today, and the best person to do it for is you. Let's lift each other up, celebrate our progress, and keep moving forward together. No matter where you are on your journey, remember, you belong here, and your strength story matters.